right now. Go, give it go. Oh, extra pass sana. There you go for Fricks. Unknown shooter.
Kita mo yung depensa dun nung nitong Macabebe Warriors. But then, mas dominant kasi when it comes to offense yung San Fernando. Let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her first quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen and Enzo. Head coach MJ Magot of San Fernando was ejected last game against Binalin All-Stars. Kwento niya nga sa akin na he was just brought by his emotions kaya hindi niya na napigilan. But that was just part of the game. Now what really matters to him is makuha nila yung panalo. And he also mentioned na hindi nila iniisip yung advantage nila. Ang gusto nila ngayon is just to focus on their goal, maglaro ng maayos and mag-step up ang lahat. Because this will be a big game for them to make it in the semifinals. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Coming from the report ni MJ, nadala lang si Coach MJ Magtoto doon ng emotion niya. That's why he got 2 technical fouls which made him thrown out of the ball game. It's a perfect example, Enzo, of my favorite quote when I was able to man the sidelines, that you don't win on emotion, but you win on execution.
Yes, and especially if you're the coach of a team, diba? But yun nga, si Coach MJ Magtoto, uncharacteristic para sa kanya yun na, yun nga, madalas ang emotion niya. Very calm demeanor itong si Coach MJ, and ano siya mahilig bumiti. Kagaya nung nakikita ko na nasa likod ng basket, kalmado yun palagi. Oh, Escosal with the easy layup thrown.
Nakabalik na siya. Nakabalik na siya.
Seryoso siya.
Seryoso siya doon.
Mamaya papatutukan natin ang camera ng nag-iisang Coach Pedic Di Matulak. Hindi rito nanonood.
Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Yes, and Pampanga Delta, the defending champions of the World 2001 Cup, has an illegal pick whistle there. First personal foul of Lucy.
2 minutes and 7 seconds left for our first quarter, 16-10. Utong-utong siya doon.
Alam na niya, tinaturo ko siya. Alam niya na ibig sabihin na. Oh! A little bit too fancy there for D-Zone. Could have went up for the shot. At ayan na! Coach Pedic on your screens.
Pedic Di Matulak of the Pampanga Delta, part of one of the coaching staff ng Pampanga Delta, our champions of our inaugural season.
Kumain lang siguro yan.
Nag-subgroup sila, nakita ko sa story. It's 1 minute and 57 seconds. Charles Dungo. Kyle Mundo rather. Ako din, nalito
Pareho kasi may 2.
Oo.
Lahat sila may 2 You know, everyone on the floor except for
Yung number 8.
Except for si Dukot.
Ay, number 18.
Diba? Si Dukot lang ang walang 2 sa number
Kaya
niya.
nakakalito. Ayun lahat siya, 23-24.
Oh, diba? Lahat sila may 2.
Oh! Oh, nice D. Pero nabalik
that's
dito.
a shot.
It's short for Fricks Bautista.
Pabingi
Goes
nga
to the
lang.
left.
Sayang yun for Mr. Big Shot, Fricks Bautista.
You know, hindi ko siya, nung nakapag-cover na ako for San Fernando, hindi siya masyadong nagde-deliver when I was
Yes,
when I was able to cover as a fan. So that's why I'm shocked if you're calling him Mr. Big Shot.
Whoa!
As there, Big Shot.
Kyle Mundo up in the air.
For Kyle Mundo with 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Oh, 16-12, a 4-point lead advantage for San Fernando. As timeout on the floor, 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. 16-12.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Come very soon.
As we are back at 1 minute and 10 seconds remaining for our first quarter. D-Zone. Balik dito ang bola. Oh!
Good drive right there. Galing dito kay Siazon. Dane draws the foul.
4-point lead advantage for San Fernando. Their biggest lead of the ball game is 6.
Ho ho ho! What an inbound play and a finish there.
4-man against 1. What a pretty bad turnover for MACABEBE. If you're one of the opposing team nitong San Fernando, you don't give them an easy turnovers. Because this team is known to get possession every possession. Talagang
hard foul.
dinadahan-dahan nila yun lagi eh.
Yes, and actually, like we said always, itong San Fernando, this is a team that you cannot outscore. This is a well-balanced offensive team. Lahat ng ipasok ni Coach MJ Magot can score at a high level. Kaya, you know, if you're San Fernando, if you're facing San Fernando, you should focus on the defensive end kasi kahit sinong ipasok ni Coach MJ can score at a high level. 3-level scorers, meron sila shooters, athletic players, just like Jaylee and Padayaw. If you're against San Fernando, one thing, especially for Coach Jomar Alfonso of MACABEBE Warriors, nakafocus yan sa depensa nila. Pero yun nga lang kasi, sobrang disiplinado ng players ng San Fernando, especially on the defensive end. They force a lot of turnovers. Kita mo yung Dizon and Cunanan, palitan sila, di ba? Both defensive guards.
And tingnan mo yung player dito ngayon ng San Fernando. Coming off the bench lahat yan. Wala dyan si Cosal. Only David stays ha. Pero David is not a starter today for Coach MJ Magot.
At tinan mo may agaw pa si Dizon, di ba? As you said nga, yung second 5 nila, pwedeng first 5 na rin eh.
Actually, as here, David for 3. It's up to the left.
Oh.
There was a
Nabatukan.
whistle.
Nabatukan si UC.
12.8 seconds remaining. Good thing din for Coach MJ Magot. Pinahinga niya dito ng sandali itong sila Raymart Cosal.
Yes. And actually important yan in the playoffs. The deeper team will always have the advantage come the playoff time. And pinag-uusapan nga namin lagi ng tournament commissioner natin at the CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo. Pinag-uusapan namin palagi as there's a foul there. Pero time expires, but will that be penalty? Yun yung pinag-uusapan ng dalawang referees natin at center court.
Let's take a look. Sumenyas na dito. Ito ating mga referees.
They're saying na foul on the ground. They're still discussing the call.
As there's still 1 second left on our game clock. 18-14. Sideline inbound. For MACABEBE. Ooh.
Oh.
It could have been 18-14 at the end of the first quarter. A close run for two teams. Take a look here. Magbabalik po kami mga kasinag, mga kabalan rather, para sa ating second quarter of this ball game as 18-14.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.